Hello, are you or your child looking for a place to learn Sepedi language? Well, you are at the right place. Whether you're a beginner or wanting to upgrade your language skills in Sepedi language, well, I am here to help you. Join my online Sepedi tutoring sessions from the comfort of your home. In my lessons, I offer one-to-one sessions and flexible schedules. Also, I offer tailored activities for both adults and kids. Also, I offer interactive and fun activities to create an engaging learning environment. My name is Tatawa and I'm a passionate Sepedi tutor. I will hold you by hand and guide you step by step to become a Sepedi language master. Study today Sepedi more. Book your free trial lesson today. Contact me on WhatsApp at 078 305 7120 or email me on moloitatero@gmail.com. Don't wait. Start your Sepedi journey today. Knowledge is power.